Have you ever heard of an animal that refuses to grow old? Not metaphorically, I mean literally. There's a creature on Earth that seems to have found the cheat code for aging, and no, it's not hidden in mythology or science fiction. It's a real animal, it's alive today, and scientists study it because it might help unlock the secrets of human regeneration. Meet the axolotl, the animal that basically doesn't age. Axolotls look like adorable smiling salamanders, with fluffy pink gills sticking out like feathers and big round eyes that make them look permanently happy. But here's the twist. Although they're salamanders, they never grow up. Most amphibians start life in the water and later transform to live on land. But axolotls, they stay as teenagers forever. This rare condition is called neoteny, meaning they reach adulthood without losing their juvenile features. Imagine if humans reached maturity but kept the body of a 12-year-old. That's basically what an axolotl is doing. Now here's where things get wild. Axolotls don't only keep their youthful looks, they also don't show the normal signs of aging. Their cells behave differently from almost every other animal on Earth. Most creatures experience something called cellular senescence. Cells wear out, break down, and lose efficiency. That's basically aging in biological terms. But the axolotl? Its cells don't degrade the same way. They divide more cleanly, repair themselves more efficiently, and don't accumulate the same damage that causes aging in other species. Scientists often describe them as biologically frozen in youth. But the most astonishing axolotl feature, and the reason biologists love them, is regeneration. Axolotls can regrow entire limbs from scratch. Lose a leg, it grows back. Lose the tail? No problem. But it gets crazier. They can regrow muscles, bones, blood vessels, skin, parts of their spinal cord, parts of their heart, and even parts of their brain. And they don't just regrow limbs like a simple lizard tail. They regrow perfect replicas with full function, nerves, and structure. Scientists say their regeneration is so advanced that it's almost like rewinding time on an injury. So what gives the axolotl these overpowered superpowers? Inside their bodies are programs that reactivate genes usually active only during early development. When injured, the axolotl doesn't form a scar. Instead, the wound transforms into a structure called a blastema, a cluster of stem cell-like cells that can become anything the body needs. This is something mammals, including humans, can't do. But there's something even more fascinating. Axolotls seem to avoid cancer at extremely high rates, even though rapid cell growth is usually what causes cancer. Their cells regenerate with surprising precision, avoiding mutations that would harm other species. In other words, they heal like superheroes without paying the usual biological price. Axolotls come from just one place on Earth, the ancient Lake Xochimilco in Mexico. In the Aztec language, their name comes from Xolotl, a god associated with lightning and transformation. Legend says axolotls were gods who refused to die and transformed into animals to escape sacrifice. Ironically, the real animal ended up becoming a symbol of immortality anyway. Despite their astonishing biology, axolotls are critically endangered in the wild. Pollution, invasive species, and habitat destruction reduce their populations to just a tiny fraction of what they once were. Some estimates say there might be only a few hundred left in nature. Thankfully, axolotls are now bred in labs, aquariums, and even as pets. But their original wild habitat is disappearing fast. Imagine an animal with the secret of regeneration going extinct before we fully understand it. It's one of biology's biggest ironies. Researchers around the world study axolotls because understanding their abilities could revolutionize medicine. We're talking about potential advances like regrowing organs, healing spinal cord injuries, preventing age-related diseases, reversing cellular aging, regenerating heart tissue after heart attacks. Axolotls might one day help humans extend lifespan or even repair damage once thought irreversible. They're not just cute animals, they're biological treasure chests. Even though it sounds like science fiction, scientists already use axolotl genes to study regeneration in mammals. Some experiments show early signs that certain regeneration pathways might be reactivatable in humans someday. We're still decades away from regrowing limbs, but the first steps are happening right now. And it all started with the smiling salamander that refuses to become an adult. So next time you see an axolotl in a photo or in a tank, remember, you're looking at one of the most extraordinary creatures nature ever created. A tiny being that doesn't age like we do, that can rebuild its own body, and that might one day help us do the same. If you enjoyed this video and want more animal mysteries like this one, subscribe. I've got plenty of unbelievable creatures coming up.